I am Tinne from Victoria Designs, and in this short video I'm quickly going to show you what are the new kits that will come out in the month of March, and I'm also going to tell you which kits we're going to put on sale again. The order in which I show you these is not the order in which they will come out. So the first new kit is the Retro Movies kit, and I am actually in the process of making a tutorial with this one. So I'm first going to show you a few of the journal pages, just a few. Of course I printed many more for this tutorial. So let's quintessentially retro movie. And then a few papers, some are horizontal, some are vertical. This is actually like the carpet in a cinema. These are just a few, of course. I'm not showing you everything from the kit. And then a few of the sheets with the embellishments. And that's it. So that's a sneak peek of our upcoming Retro Movies kit. And then I'm also going to do a very special collaboration. I am not going to tell anything yet. And the next new kit is our Pastel Gothic kit. So Gothic, but sweet and pastel-y. And if this is too sweet for some of you, I am also going to put our Gothic Circus kit back on sale because it's been a year. So Pastel Gothic, here are some of the journal pages. That you have an idea what you can expect. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so sorry I can't make a tutorial for all of these. Really, my heart bleeds. But developing and making and filming and editing and the tutorial, it costs a lot of time and effort. Papers. Beautiful. Some papers are horizontal. This is a vertical one again. And then we have some sheets with embellishments included in the kit. So, Pastel Gothic new kit coming up. And the next new kit for March is the Vintage Pantry kit. So it's all about vintage kitchens, pantries, drying herbs, etc. Here are a few of the journal pages. It's all a bit rustic. Some papers, lots of jars, horizontal papers. Of course, this is a vertical one again. Oh, that's a beautiful pattern. I really love this pattern. And then a few sheets with embellishments, pockets, and cards. And together with this Vintage Pantry kit, I will also put our recipe journal kit back on sale this year. And for those who love the Vintage Pantry kit and even want to go a step further, here is our greenhouse garden kit. So everything greenhouse gardening, growing vegetables, fruits and herbs. So a few journal pages. And then some embellishments on a few sheets. Some file folders here. Some papers. Some horizontal papers as well. Like that. So, lots of new kits coming up, and this is just a small portion of the printables. Last year we also had some very popular kits that I'm going to put back on sale in March. And one of them is the Steampunk Trains kit, for which Alexandra made an amazing tutorial. The next thing is going to be our Herb Garden box kit, for which Alexandra also made another amazing tutorial. I'm also going to put our Bluebells & Co kit back on sale, and for that I made a tutorial myself for a double journal. And I'm also going to put our cherry blossom kit back on sale. Now, it's not been a whole year since that kit came out. When the kit came out, the cherry blossoms already blossomed out. So I moved that up a little bit in our planning so it would come out before the actual blossoms would start to blossom. So now you know our plans for the month of February, and this way, if you're interested in a few kits, you can make your plans. Thank you so much for watching and keep crafting. Bye bye!